This is going to be a product review of the Amazon Basics USB Type-C to USB-A male 3.1 Generation 2 adapter charger cable that's 3 feet and it's white, and that's a lot of wording for this cable. So I'm going to take this out of the package. I should have broke the seal beforehand. And we'll see what it is. So why did I buy this thing? Hopefully it's exactly what I need. I don't know. Yes, I do know, because this is exactly what I need. Okay, so why did I buy this? Because I need it, and the price is really good. So the reason I bought it is because I have a GoPro that I just bought recently. And when you transfer files, I don't mess with transferring files on a cell phone. You know, I have a computer. A lot of people don't have a computer, and their life is spent on a cell phone. For me, I can't transfer 4K files from a GoPro to a cell phone. It's ridiculous. So they give you a cable that, what is this? Okay, all of us guys know this is about 6 inches long, so that's 6, 1 foot, 1.5. So they give you a cable that's about 2 feet long, maybe. This cable, 2 feet, I mean, come on. What you end up doing, if you have a computer on your floor, you plug this into the USB on your computer, and there is enough room to let your GoPro sit on the floor while you're transferring the files. That's not enough for me. I need something longer. I need something 3 feet. Longer than 3 would have been good, but 3 feet is really more than enough. 3 feet, I can get this on the floor. I can plug this into the computer. Go over to my GoPro over here, press the button down, go over to the USB-C connector up at the top, plug it in, transfer my files, no problem. If I need to, I can buy an extension that's going to go female to male and plug the female into this male over here, plug the male into the computer, and I can extend this to about 12 feet. But for something like this, at least this is enough so I can plug this into the computer. On the front or the back, I can place the GoPro on the top of the computer, maybe even enough room, enough length so I can put it on a desk. I can transfer my files. I believe that the Google Pixel has a USB-C connector. I could be wrong, but I think it does. So a connector like this, you should be able to plug it in, I would assume, plug it into your USB-C. On your cell phone, plug this into your computer, transfer your files. My video cameras, they use micro USB, so something like this would not be needed. But if you're messing with a GoPro or anything with a USB-C connector, let me zoom on in. For those of you that don't know what a USB-C connector is, the top is the USB-C. Alright, so the USB-C is the connector at the top, the round one, and USB-C, unlike the other USB connectors, USB-C will go in either direction. So you can plug it in this way or you can turn it this way, doesn't matter. So I can plug this into the GoPro, it fits perfectly, plug this into my computer USB port, and I'm sure this will even plug into the newer USB 3.1, the blue connectors, because it's downward compatible, and then you can transfer your files or whatever you need to do, transfer your songs, transfer your video files if you were on a GoPro. So for the price, 3 feet, the thing cost under 10 bucks. It's a really good deal, and haven't plugged it in yet, but I'm sure it's going to work. So I'm just letting people know, if you're tired of messing with the GoPro, tiny little 2 foot or 1.5 foot or whatever length this cable is, go on the Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. Click on that. It will help me out. Affiliate link. Go buy this 3-footer, and you won't have a problem with length. And let's face it, we all know that length is really important to women and also to guys when they are transferring files. This is a review channel. If you have a product you want reviewed, if I can get a hold of it, I'll do it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment, If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. And I guess that's it. So now I'm going to go transfer my 4K files. And why, again, do you need a cable like this? Because if you're transferring 4K files, you were probably talking, I did 30 minutes of 4K video on the GoPro. That is 12 gigs of file. 12 gigs, even 12 gigs transferred to USB is going to take forever. Easier to plug in an SD reader and do it that way. But if you're going to transfer 12 gigs wireless from this to your cell phone, wow. And then how are you going to edit it on your cell phone? So buy the cable, buy a computer. It's 2019. Let's get real and edit with a computer, people.